Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna open my present. I have done my tree today, my boy have, and now we're gonna open the first on this Diamond Art Club's calendar, and the number one is right here. So super excited to open my first one. Oh Lord, how? I don't know what it is inside, so I'm super excited. Oh, look at that. It was Aurora Borealis. This one is $15. I believe it's round rails. So this one is quite lovely. It's like a pink or reddish one. So very nice. And we also got the green one. This is also a round. And this is number 18. Don't know if I have those colors. Believe them, they are new. I wish Diamond Art Club did sell this loose in their stores. I would buy them. Definitely buy both of them. And it would be nice to have plenty AB colors. So that's my first lucky number 1, and we're gonna wait not tomorrow but the day after to open this one. So super excited. So yeah, that's all for number 1, and I will see you in 2 days when we're gonna open number 2. So I hope you like it. I like it a lot. Very nice with the new AB. I don't think I have any of those colors, so pretty nice. So hope to see you soon. Bye guys.